Hello YouTube and welcome back to this tutorial. We left off at a simple display rendering the red screen, and now what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to change a lot of things around, and then I'm going to show you input. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change this to an abstract class. This means the class cannot be used in itself. It has to be used, it has to be extended. So what we're going to do next is we're going to create a method called public abstract void update. So this will be called I misspelled abstract there. This will be called from the class that is extending this. We're also going to take out this public static void main. We're going to create a new class called test game. And then test game, we're going to type extends game, and you'll see that it needs to add the unimplemented methods from game. So we'll get this update thing here. I'm also going to add a couple other abstract methods, such as public abstract void cleanup, which will be called when it is exited. Again, we have to put that in our test game. So override public void clean up, and in cleanup we're going to type, actually, you know what, we don't have to put anything there. We're gonna have our own little, actually it'll be a private void destroy, and in destroy we're going to call clean up. Also in destroy we're going, and after that we're going to go display.destroy system.exit 0, which simply quits the Java program. And what we're going to do after that is, right after this while loop, we're going to type destroy, which we'll call our cleanup abstract void, and it will completely obliterate everything in its path, which is good. And we're going to put that public static void main in here, public static void main string array args, and in that public static void main we're going to type new test game dot initialize. So let's run that, make sure it works, and it still works. I'm also going to add a title at the top of the screen, which will be protected, as it can be used in this class and in any other class that extends it. Protected string title equals my game. You can put that as whatever you want. And in here I'm going to type display.set title and our title, my game. So now for input, what I'm going to do, this is the reason I had this update method. I'm going to type if keyboard, capital K, dot is key down, keyboard dot key space. I'm going to type system dot out dot print line, which will simply print a line into this console right here. I'm going to type you pressed space. If we run that, oh, you know what? I forgot to put update in here. So I'm just going to put update. Put update at the bottom. And while we're at it, I'm going to create another abstract void called render, where any user rendering will be done. Render. We'll get an error here because it's not implemented. So there's our render. And an update. So let's run this. You press space. We can also do other things such as mouse click. Is button down mouse dot let's see. Okay, yeah, is button down is an integer, so mouse dot I think 0. Let's see, is button down 0, system dot out dot print line click. Okay, so we can see that it's a click, and I'm going to copy this, change 0 to 1, and put right click. So there is some simple input. Hope you enjoyed, and check out the next video.